This is the GML halogen oven, and as you can see, just to scale, there's my hand, and on top is the lid which has all the controls on it, and there's basically two simple controls: timer, which you turn to your desired time all the way up to 60 minutes, and also a temperature gauge. And this itself, the whole handle lifts off to reveal inside of the oven. And as you can see there, there's two metal trays that actually come with the unit, depending on what it is you want to cook. The main part of the oven itself is a glass bowl, which, as it says there, caution, glass gets hot during operation. And the whole oven itself sits on what is basically a plastic frame, of which the centerpiece down here is actually metal. So today we're going to cook chicken, and we're going to put it with some sweet potatoes, which is already now placed, as you can see, in the base of the oven. Okay, last thing to go in is the chicken itself, and this chicken is 1.272 kilos. And as you can see, that's sitting nicely on top of the sweet potatoes. Okay, we're almost ready to go. Just things to watch is the power lead itself. Because the glass gets hot, it shouldn't be touching anywhere on the glass. There is an actual insulated part of the cable right there, so that's a bit of protection, but just you should watch out for that. Now we're going to set this thing off to 180 cooking temperature, and because we expect about an hour and a half cooking time, but of course you can only do it in 60-minute segments, which isn't a bad thing because you can come back and see what's been going on. And okay, the clock's ticking, but it's not on. Why is that? Well, because there's a little safety feature here, which is the lid. There you go. Lid has to be completely closed. If that lid comes up in any way, the power will not come on. And so the thing we found about this oven is it not only does it cook quicker, but also it also uses less power. So if you're expecting something to be at 200, you can put it, say, at about 180. So as you can see, the oven is quite bright. No lights on in the kitchen itself here. And inside the lid there is a fan, and obviously the halogen light itself, and that's basically what heats it. As it gets up to temperature, which it does very quickly, it will then, as you can see, turn the light off, the halogen off, because the temperature is reached. And if it needs to boost it back up again, it'll do just that. Another advantage of this oven is, because of where the potatoes were, we've added some olive oil to them, so we've taken the lid off during cooking and just added it, and because it heats up very quickly, the heat's restored and you don't have a big loss of heat like you would in a regular oven. Okay, after 1 hour and 40 minutes, I can say the chicken is complete, and this is where a video doesn't do it justice because it smells absolutely gorgeous. Okay, hope that tells you a bit more about the halogen oven.